apart like... So here we go again. We've got this lovely pork and I season it a little bit with pepper and salt, just like you want to taste it. And then we've got the onions and we make a lovely barbecue pork out of the oven. So what do? I already cut these lovely onions and we just put them into a nice pot. And inside I've got some homemade tomato sauce in there. And so let's just put these things inside here. This is so easy and lovely. See, just put onions, a lot of onions, and the meat inside of it. Lovely. And then we've got some garlic. We just put it in. And I've got a little bit of a stock of a broth. You just want to put it over it. And a little bit of the tomato sauce. And of course, a splash of ketchup or barbecue sauce, what you want. And I found here some roasted antipasto. We just put a little bit of this paste on it as well. Then we close the lid and we put it in a 200-degree centigrade oven for 2 hours. Okay, we got it right out of the oven. Look at this and the big reveal. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? So let's find out about all this. Look at these onions, and then we get the lovely meat. See, it's falling apart like pulled pork. It's so gorgeous and lovely. See, check that out. Check this beauty out, and you must smell it. Unbelievable. We make the lovely sauce. We just put it through a sieve. After that, we put in some binder. So I'm gonna put in some more smoked salt and a little bit of Tabasco to finish it up really nicely. Just introduce it like to our lovely meat. And here we go, barbecue onion meat. Superb. So if you've got too much sauce, just put it in some little glass containers and close it, and it'll stay a long time in the fridge.